Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's installation video, let's install the Lasfit all-weather floor mats specifically for the GMC Sierra and the Chevrolet Silverado. I'll have a link down in the description below where you can purchase these for these specific vehicles. You can also take a look at the link for several other makes, models, and trim levels. So just depending on your vehicle, there are quite a lot of options that you can go with. Now with the Lasfit all-weather floor mats, you can also get first row, second row, in some cases third row, or the cargo space or the bed as well. So just depending on how you plan to use your truck, you have several options to go with. For the GMC Sierra and the Chevrolet Silverado, I have the front mats as well as the rear space here. And you'll notice that these are going to be laser measured in order to fit perfectly in the footwell. These are also something that you can get the hose out, you can rinse them down, wash them off, you can use a rag to dry them off too. In my opinion, it is much nicer to clean these than it is the factory carpeting that vehicles have. So you'll notice with this particular model, we have that factory carpeting where there's some items that are stuck in it. So you'd have to get the vacuum out or really deep clean this in order to remove those. With the Lasfit all-weather floor mats, this is a very easy install. In some vehicles that have these factory attachment points, this will line up perfectly and you can lock them into place on both sides. You'll notice with this driver's side one too, it does cover the dead pedal. You'll notice this upper lip here. That way it will help keep items from going down the back side and around underneath the seat here all the way to the door sill. So when it does get dirty, full of grass, whatever's stuck to your shoes, you can easily pop it out, remove it, clean it, and then install it in a matter of minutes. So a very good fitment, goes up underneath the brake and the gas pedal there as well. And then let's work our way to the back cargo space. With this full-size truck, you are going to probably have a lot of people in the back. Maybe you have kids, you have your car seat, you're putting dogs back here with the size of this vehicle. The easiest way to install it is to lift up the bottom of the seats. So that is a plus for this specific vehicle. And we can easily unfold it from here and get it into its secure place here. Now I would recommend, since these do come folded, lay them out flat before you do the installation. That way they have some of the memory to them of being stretched out. But of course, being in the vehicle, this will adapt to the surfaces here and kind of flare out the longer it's in the vehicle, of course. Now up front, you'll notice the fitment behind the driver's seat rails here with that upper lip, and it goes all the way to the back of the door sill. And then when I fold the seat down, you can get another look with this higher lip here. It's going to keep anything from going on the back side there and keep it all within this area here. And of course, to remove it, you can lift up the seats, pull it out, clean it down, wipe it down, and then install it back into the vehicle. And then last up, for the passenger side, this specific vehicle does not have an attachment point down below, even though this mat does have it, but it just makes it a lot easier to install for this side here. And you'll notice the back of it goes up pretty high, so that way your passenger shoes will still be on the mat itself. It goes onto the door sill here and then wraps around this upper section just underneath the seat to give you a really nice fitment. So if you are using your vehicle, especially something like this as a work truck, and you are getting your shoes all muddy, whatever it may be, you have the protection that you need for the interior of your vehicle to keep it in a pristine condition. So again, you can easily remove these, wipe them down, clean them off. They can get full of mud, dirt, water, whatever it may be. Even if you're putting items in the back, you have a really nice way to protect the flooring for the interior of your vehicle, and something that will last the length of the vehicle while you have it. So if you are looking to keep your interior much cleaner, something that is going to be much easier than to vacuum out, you can easily wipe these down. This is a great option to go with. So take a look at the link down in the description below where you can get these Lasfit all-weather floor mats for your specific vehicle. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up. Consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our daily uploads. I will see you all in the next video.